Hi there and welcome to this NLP Practitioner training. My name is Matt Barnett and I'm going to be your coach throughout this entire program as we delve into the sights and the sounds and the smells of NLP and discover, explore and dissect the most incredible technology for personal change, achievement and excellence out there today. You are about to learn how to really take control of your results in whatever context you desire. Imagine being able to perform at your best at work. Imagine achieving your true potential, hitting your ideal weight, having the perfect relationship. Imagine living the life of your dreams. Well, in this course, you're going to learn the amazing, effective and powerful tools for doing this, both for yourself and for other people. So, let's get started. So I first started getting into NLP back in 1998, which at the time of recording this is, well, it's a long time ago. And I've been certified as an NLP trainer for a very long time as well, and I use NLP every single day in both my business and my personal life. And what I want to show you as we talk through this internationally recognized NLP practitioner curriculum and navigate through each of the sections and lectures in this course, what I'm going to give you and what I want to talk to you about is what I believe NLP is, how you can apply it to your life starting right now for incredible, fast and exciting results, and how you can effectively begin to use it with others to see dramatic or inspiring changes in their lives, improve relationships, greater happiness and success in whatever they or you put your mind to. What you're going to be learning here is the exact pre-study material that I use with the students that decide to come on my applied NLP live trainings and experience all the magic of NLP firsthand. And if you go on to come onto one of my live trainings here in the UK or anywhere in the world for that matter, then after studying this course you're going to be in a really good place by the time you attend our intensive NLP live training. Now, quite early on in this course, I'm going to share a fabulous technique with you that will enable you to absorb all of the information in this course easily, effortlessly, and in a fun and motivated way. So, I'm going to put myself out there now and say to you that learning NLP this way is easy, it's fast, and it's effective. In essence, all you're going to need to do is open your mind, decide to study each of the lectures all the way to the end and follow the process, and you will learn everything that I'm going to share with you really easily, especially when you consider the few bits of magic that I'm going to share with you along the way as well. Now, you can choose to take this course in any way you like, and that's fine. And if I was to give you some advice on how best to study this program to get the very best out of it and to get the very best results, I would probably say that you want to go through the program a couple of times, alright? And the first time I would just go through it pretty quickly, listen to it, watch it and take on the information. I would much prefer you did that at this stage than you spent time scribbling notes down. You don't actually really need to, and I'll explain why that is later in the course as well. However, once you've been through the course once, you may want to go through a second time, make a few notes, and if you do that, that would be great. Remember though that throughout the course I'll be giving you loads, and I mean a lot, of supporting material, including transcripts, PDFs, MP3s, as well as summary, fact sheets and worksheets as well, which you can look at or listen to whenever you feel that you want a bit of a refresher. And if you study the course and there are areas of your knowledge that you need to work on, then of course you will know it yourself, won't you? NLP, for me, is the most fascinating body of work in the personal development arena. I don't believe that much comes close to touching NLP for its effectiveness. And I look at a lot of stuff in my work these days, and it's fair to say that I have a soft spot for NLP, as I truly don't know where I would be if it wasn't for discovering NLP all those years ago. We'll come to all of that a little later on as well. So in this course, you're going to study the mind so that you can understand how your mind, nervous system and thoughts work to produce behaviour and outcomes in your life. You're going to study how to recreate excellent behavior so that you can see the incredible, awesome, inspiring behaviors of others and get excited about the fact that you can do what they do really easily and quickly with NLP. You'll study personal power, and when you really get NLP, you have complete power of your destiny. Can you imagine being totally in control of your outcomes, your success, your achievements, being free to be the very best version of yourself possible? Well, that's what you'll get from NLP when you apply the principles to your life. So, NLP is one of my passions. I love NLP and what it stands for. I love the power that people can put in their lives by learning these simple processes and truly understanding how their mind works. I've seen people with lifelong phobias freed of them within minutes. I've seen people give up addictions rapidly. People who are terrified of speaking in public leap on stage and present NLP. And that to me is extremely exciting, powerful and motivating stuff. And I use NLP every single day of my life, in my business and in my personal life. With my children, I am a truly active practitioner and a certified trainer of NLP as well. As a coach, NLP is my go-to set of tools for helping my clients, and I see people on a one-on-one basis and in groups, and I've been doing that for a very long time as well. So, I have a lot to share with you, a lot of experience and knowledge that I feel sure will assist you in learning the subject well, being proud and confident in your new knowledge. And of course, my team and I are here to answer your questions, to steer you in the right direction and offer you support whenever you need it throughout the course. So, next up, I'd like you to take a look at this particular course in a bit more detail so that you can see what's in store. So I can tell you about some of the great things that you're going to learn and so that you can get a feel for how the course will move forward. So let's go on to that next part now. And before I do, I have a little bonus that I want to give you as you study this course. If you look through the resources section of each of the lectures in this course, you'll find supporting material, to help you to get the most out of the course. We have full transcripts of the videos, all bundled up really nicely in these transcript sheets. There are MP3s that you can download and use on your MP3 player or your smartphone. And we have a load of worksheets and page inserts that complement the course and that are yours to download and keep or print off and put in a folder if you like. There is a lot of information in there, and I'm talking about many hundreds of PDFs and MP3s that are yours as a student of this course, and I'll be adding to these over time as well. As I say, it's a lot of stuff because my goal is to give you the very best NLP training out there, the most comprehensive yet easy to understand full NLP training program on the planet. So with all of that in mind, let's get stuck in straight away and take a look at the NLP communication model. So get yourself comfortable, keep your mind open, because this might just be the change you've been looking for, and it might just change your life forever. See you there.